Did you know that most homeowners insurance companies in Florida exclude water damage on older homes? This might not really be scary to you unless you realize that water damage is the #1 cause of claims in Florida homeowner policies. It's actually so big, it's bigger than hurricanes and fires combined. So there's a reason that companies want to exclude that. And there's also a reason you've got to make sure that you're not excluded. So if you have an older home, you definitely want to make sure that whether you're buying new insurance or have an existing policy, that your policy covers this. Also, did you realize in Florida that most insurance companies, regardless of the age of your home, actually exclude the pool cage coverage? Some companies do it the right way, and all of them will let you buy what's called a buyback or an endorsement adding it on. We've all done that. The problem with the endorsements is no two policies are written the same. Most companies actually exclude the screening altogether, and most companies also want to depreciate the cage. Again, this might not sound scary, but the pool cage is the first thing to go in a hurricane. There's a reason that the companies don't want to include it. And also, the problem you have is if you punch the numbers with the pool cage, say you have a $300,000 home built in, say, 2000. You have a $20,000 cage. So I don't know the exact depreciation, but say they depreciate it by 50%. That means your $20,000 cage is down to $10,000. They don't cover the screen, so now you're down to $9,000. You've got a $6,000 deductible on a $300,000 house, so you end up with $3,000 to try to put back your $20,000 cage. The point is, insurance can be tricky, and it's important to you to determine that what you think you're buying is what you are buying. No two policies are really written exactly the same. So it's important to find a good agent. When you're looking for this, make sure that the agency has lots of companies, hundreds of companies. The more the companies, the better for you, and also better for the agency, because we can find the company that fits you perfectly, matches your needs, and also having lots of companies, usually we can find the lowest price. Almost as importantly as that is make sure that the agency that you go with has nice people. Who wants to deal with a snot or stuffy people? Make sure they're not commissioned. Last thing you need is put your trust in somebody and end up being sold something that you don't need or want. Make sure that the agency has a good reputation. Make sure that by this A+ rating with Better Business Bureau, trusted choice. Look for reviews, good positive reviews. All of these things you'll be happy you did. And lastly, make sure that the agency has experience. I've been in the business for over 28 years, and most of my staff has been with me for well over 10 years. So I guess my point is whether you call us or somebody else, shop around when you're doing this, but not just looking for price. Make sure that you're going with the agency that can not only give you the best price today, but the best price in the future, and that really has your best interests at heart. I look forward to hearing from you.